This is my baby sleeping.
Why are you sleeping and laughing? I'm out. Buckler. Come out, me burn up the lamb chops in my microwave, dog. China. I'm out.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was Vybz Kartel, the world boss, one done, and wife is Sidem. And man not tell no lie, people. Vybz Kartel is not a normal human being. The man say, yo, him burn up the lamb chops in the microwave, people. So me don't know how that go. The boss turn up the microwave too much. Yo, people, but not tell a lie. The clip the normal. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. Talk truth no people. You know ever see somebody asleep and a smile yet? Yeah, man, that is it. See them asleep and a smile to where she happy. Yeah, people, the Gaza boss make she happy, man. She just glad say, yo, our man free and them can live some life together. Talk truth no, man. And me not even gonna talk too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers and all of the Vybz Kartel, Gaza Nation fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Sidem sleeping and smiling and Vybz Kartel burning up the lamb chops in the microwave. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cold, is a hit or it miss. Yeah, man. I want to see all my fans them spam up the comment section and make me know what go on. You know the rules. You know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Suka and I'm out.